Hello students, this is Vivek Srivastava and today I am taking your civics of class 7. The first chapter is democracy and equality. So when we are going to start this chapter, first we have to know that what is democracy. So definition of democracy is written here: a system in which the government of a country is elected by the people. It means simply we can say that democracy means the system in which the government is elected or run by the people, for the people. Okay. Next topic when we are going to discuss in this chapter will be the name equality and inequality. So before knowing all the definitions of this chapter, we have to know that what is equality and what is inequality. Inequality means asamanta and equality means samanta. We see, let me start from your home. We see in our family the discrimination or inequalities between our brothers, sisters and cousins also. As we know, the work that belongs to whom, it means like cooking food or cleaning the home, it belongs to the female category. Either it may be your mother or your sister, okay, and that works that have to be done outside of the home belongs to the male candidate of the family. It may be you, it may be your father, your uncle, your grandfather, etc. So that is known as inequality. Have you even think about this? Why this kind of inequalities follows in our country? The main reason is here that we are compelled to do so. We have made it clear that the work that belongs in home have to done by the female candidate. That is the only reason. In big hotels we have seen the cook, the chef, that they are male, not female. So this is only our mindset and it is our thinking. Coming to next topic, why equality versus inequality? It means why it is required to do the same thing for male, female or any category, any religious, any person belonging to other communities, other states. There should be a same rule for them. So now next topic will be ancient Greece. In ancient Greece, first time the concept of democracy arise. Okay, democracy started from ancient Greece. When it started? The time is 7th century BC. Okay, that is the first point to note in this table. That concept of democracy originated in the 7th century BC in ancient Greece. Okay. Now we are going to the next topic, that is England. As we all know that England is a land of queens and kings, राजाओं और रानियों का देश है इंग्लैंड. But there are also democracy allowed. Democracy came into act in 16th century in England. Now the next topic is USA, United States of America. See on the board, in 1783, conclusion of the American War of Independence, there was there was a conclusion, and the conclusion was that USA become a democratic country. Okay, the world's first ever written constitution was adopted. Note this point: the world's first ever written constitution was adopted in the USA. Okay, next in the USA topic, the African Americans who were brought as slaves to Africa, वो अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन जिन्हें गुलाम के रूप में अफ्रीका ले जाया गया था बिफोर 1783, उनको 1783 से पहले ही ले जाया गया था, वे कंटिन्यूड टू बी अनइक्वल, और उन्हें जो है समानता का अधिकार नहीं मिला, वो असमान रहे, एंड दिस लेड टू द मूवमेंट फॉर द इक्वलिटी इन 1950, और इस तरह से 1950 में वहां पे एक और आंदोलन हुआ और वहां से जो है समानता का अधिकार मिला। एक्ट ऑफ 1950 के मूवमेंट से एक नया एक्ट बना जिसका नाम हुआ एक्ट ऑफ 1964, प्रोहिबिटेड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बेस्ड ऑन द रेस। वहां से डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को रेस, रिलीजन और नेशनल ओरिजिन के बेस पे नहीं देखा गया, खत्म कर दिया गया। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ह्यूमन डिग्निटी। ह्यूमन डिग्निटी, Mr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bhimrao Ambedkar had said that self-respect is the most vital factor in life. Without it, man is stiffer. It means अगर मनुष्य के जीवन में सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, आत्मसम्मान नहीं है तो वो शिफर है, नगण्य है, जीरो है, कुछ नहीं है। ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज हियर गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स टू प्रमोट इक्वलिटी, यानी कि सरकार के द्वारा इक्वलिटी को, समानता को प्रमोट करने के लिए कौन कौन से कार्य किए गए। द क्वेश्चन में भी राइट सम initiatives from the government that promote equality, then you will write that answer. These are following. The first one is educating everyone. It means education. You all know that education is same for every kind of any religion, either girl or man or a boy, everybody have the same education. Next, food for poor children, गरीब बच्चों के लिए भोजन। You know that why this topic arises? Food for poor children, गरीब बच्चों को खाने के लिए भोजन नहीं मिलेगा, खाना नहीं खाएंगे तो वो पढ़ नहीं पाएंगे, सो उनके लिए फ्री फूड अवेलेबल किया गया। नेक्स्ट, सिट टुगेदर टू हैव मील। क्लासरूम में सारे बच्चे एक साथ बैठ के खाना खाते हैं, राइट? तो सिट टुगेदर टू हैव मील, खाना खाने के लिए एक साथ बैठना, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ देयर रिलीजन, चाहे वो किसी भी धर्म के हो, कास्ट किसी भी जाति के हो, एंड सोशल स्टेटस, और उनका समाज में कुछ भी स्टेटस हो, दैट डजंट मैटर। ओके, द नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट थिंग इज कुक्स कैन बी belongs to any caste or religion। वो है कि cooks can belongs, यानी जो कुक हैं वो किसी भी कास्ट के हो सकते हैं, किसी भी जाति के हो सकते हैं, किसी भी धर्म के हो सकते हैं। सो अगर कुक खाना बनाएगा तो खाना आपको खाना पड़ेगा, वो किसी भी जाति धर्म का हो, इट डजंट मैटर हियर। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, this is all for today's class. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed the video, then press the like button. That will give confidence to us to make some more videos like this. So thanks for watching the video.